The rural life in India, in many ways, has been, for the individual person, been degraded in the last 3 decades. Though much economic well-being has reached, still the basic humanity has not gone up in any way. We as a nation, as India, we are just people. I know we have songs talking about the great natural resources of this country and the great rivers of this country and the great mountains of this country. I think that's a lot of romantic poetry. For 1 billion people, we neither have enough rivers, nor land, nor mountain, nor anything. That's the reality of the country. The only thing that we have is people. If we can have 1 billion people, truly rejuvenated, focused 1 billion people, inspired 1 billion people, what they can do, no technology can do, they can do absolute miracles. But unfocused 1 billion people, unhealthy 1 billion people, spiritless 1 billion people can be the biggest disaster that anybody can ever face.
Action for Rural Rejuvenation is a rural revitalization program offering medical care, community rehabilitation and human upliftment to more than 3,500 villages in rural southern India. Central to the project are the rural mobile health clinics. These clinics eradicate 2 major barriers to existing illnesses: cost, by providing free treatment, and access, by bringing the medical team to the rural people. In addition, Isha rural health clinics are also established. Equipped with necessary medical infrastructure, trained doctors and paramedical staff, the hospital serves round the clock and provides quality healthcare at nominal cost in remote rural areas. Village games and inter-village tournaments are organised for community joy, reducing addictions and promoting social bonding above caste, creed, religion and economic status. Isha Craft is a creative initiative that brings the beauty of craft to our lives while providing an opportunity for livelihood to rural people. Since the launch of the Action for Rural Rejuvenation in 2003, Isha Gramotsavam is celebrated in a grand manner every year in Tamil Nadu to re-establish the fading rural culture in India and to create a possibility for the youth to experience the enchanting rural legacy. The event is a unique celebration of the land and culture that nourished several generations in this part of the country. Over 400,000 people from various parts of Tamil Nadu, including a sizable number of national and international visitors, participate in the event. The dawn of year 2005 brought with it one of the most devastating natural calamities witnessed by humankind, bringing worldwide focus and aid to the affected regions. A few hours following the strike of the giant wave, Isha's Action for Rural Rejuvenation's mobile health clinics were rushed to the affected sites, offering the necessary medical aid to the wounded. Vaccination was administered to over 48,000 affected people, including relief workers and police and army personnel, playing a critical role in preventing an epidemic. Isha volunteers came forward in thousands, offering assistance, food and relief to the people. 2 mobile trucks were specially launched in the affected areas of Cuddalore for continuous medical support. Especially designed simple yoga classes were conducted as an effective means for trauma relief and for re-establishing the victim's outlook for the future. As part of the rehabilitation work to the tsunami-hit areas, Isha Foundation was the first to provide new housing for the habitants. Personally participating in the relief and rehabilitation programs, Sadhguru made several visits to these affected areas to closely direct and oversee the Model Relief and Rehabilitation Program. The cyclone, earthquake and tsunami-proof houses were specially designed by Satguru and built by a team of Isha engineers. The Yoga Centre also housed the fabrication unit, producing over 50 fiberglass boats for the destitute fishermen.
Surangani kya male kanawa male 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 surangani kya male kanawa.
To renew, to focus, to inspire, to bring health, joy and vibrancy, to empower, revive and rejuvenate. Satguru's vision is to expand this effort from the regional to the national level and ultimately beyond the borders of India. Isha Foundation humbly requests the world to acknowledge and support this new kindling of spirit in these underprivileged societies.